Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Google Workspace for your business to access Gmail, Drive, Docs, and other professional tools, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit workspace.google.com to begin the setup process for your business account. Step 2. Click on the Get Started or Try It Free button to start creating your Google Workspace account. Step 3. Enter your business name or organization name to personalize your workspace. Step 4. Specify the number of employees in your organization to help Google recommend the right plan. Step 5. Choose whether you already have a domain name for your business or if you want to purchase a new domain through Google. Step 6. Enter your existing domain name if you have one, or search for and purchase a new domain if needed. Step 7. Provide your contact information including your name, email address, and phone number for account verification. Step 8. Create your first admin account by choosing a username and password that will be used to manage your Google Workspace. Step 9. Select your preferred Google Workspace plan, enter payment information, and verify your domain ownership by following Google's verification steps to complete setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.